Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're having this Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. So that stands for lightweight in Italian. Although this car's lightweight, it packs a punch. It's got a V12 twin turbo. So it's a little bit tame at the minute. Doesn't sound how a V12 should sound, and that's just mainly due to the restrictive stock cats. So we've got a Quicksilver sports cat system to go on, and also a race back box with valves. Without further ado, let's get to it. Right then guys, there you have it. So you've heard the before sound, you've heard the afters, you've also seen the installation. So if you're interested or you've got any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. We'll see you in the next one.